Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video we have discussed about basic data types. There are four basic data types: integer, character, float and double. In this video we will discuss about derived data types. There are four types of derived data types. There are arrays, pointers, structures and unions. Array. What is an array? Array is a combination of similar data types where we can store more than a value. We indicate the array symbol as this size of an array. And to access values in array we use index numbers. Index numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, infinity, it going on. We in an array we can store up to infinity numbers. Compiler will allocate memory to an array based on size and data type. It will allocate memory based on what is in which type of data type it is and array size. If we take array size as 10, int of 10, the memory we can store array as int how much memory it will allocated to into array size is 10 equal to 20. We can store only 20 characters or numbers in integer variable. In char we can store only 10 because we have only one byte of memory allocation in character. But in float we have 4, that is 4 into 10 means we can get 40 by 40 float variables or 40 numbers we can store in a float variable. And the next thing is I will explain in this briefly as an array. In further classes I will explain as deeply. Structures. What is a structure? Using structure and union, user can define combinational data type that can store different types of values in a variable. And structure, we can store different types of values in a structure variable at a time. Compiler will allocate memory for all the data members in the structure. See, in structure we use above the main section. In above the void main we use the structure. Structure data type must be declared in the main section. To access data members in structure we use dot operator. In structures we use dot operator for we use dot operator for this here. And the next thing is pointers. Pointers is nothing but pointer variable can store address of another variable. We can declare the pointer symbol as star and address variable as an AND symbol. We take it as this as address operator. This is our address operator in C. We can see this in many Macs, English for AND, using as AND. And it modifies the value of another variable pointed to the pointer variable. We should use star variable. We should use the star variable to access the pointer. And the next one is union data type. Nothing but union data type is used to store combinational values of integer, character, float, etc. Compiler will allocate memory only for the biggest or highest data member in union. So only one value can be stored in the union at once. In union, we, we give 10 size as not 10. We take it as integer a. Integer a equal to 10. Character ch equal to name as 10 equal to like this, and float equal to 10.5, and double equal to 20,000. Okay, 20,000. For this, in this, for float, we get 4 bytes of memory will be allocated for the float, because float has highest memory location. For integer we get 2, and character is 1, and float equal to 4. In this, compiler will allocate only for the biggest or highest data member. Here we have float as the biggest data member here, and because these two are small data members here. And the next one, I think you hope all understand. I am explaining in this briefly. In further videos I will explain deeply as I am possible. And the next thing is, we have enumeration data type and void data type. This is also an data type. Enumeration data type is used to assign the values in integral constants. Enum is a user defined data type. We can create only above the main section. It is also can be created in the above main section, in above the void main. You should declare above the main. Compiler will assign 0 as an default value to the constants if the values are unsigned. Take an example as enum. You should use the data variable or variable as enum. Enum of data type. Take the data type as integer or character, anything else, or take it as data type as months, January equal to 1, February equal to 2, March equal to 3, and so on. December equal to 12. In this we use for printing as below the main section as printf %d/t, comma, month. Void data type. Void is an primitive data type used only for declaring the functions as subprograms. Void data type will not return any value to the called functions. It will not return any value, just used as void main or void something as enum, something as like this, but it will not return any value for the program. Hope you all understood. In next video we will discuss about control statements and or decision statements. Hope you all understood. If you have any doubts, please comment me in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and comment. Thank you. Have a nice day.